Hello everyone. The operational amplifiers can be used as a differentiator. In this video, we will analyze the working of operational amplifier as differentiator. That is, the output voltage is directly proportional to the rate of change of input voltage with respect to time. This is the circuit diagram of differentiator. It consists of capacitor at the input and resistor as the feedback element. The input is given to the inverting terminal of the op-amp. Non-inverting terminal is grounded here. By virtual ground concept, op-amp will try to keep its input terminal at the same potential. So, the voltage at this point is equal to 0. Let In be the input current and If be the current flowing through the feedback. If we take the ideal case, the input current through the op-amp is 0. That is, the op-amp does not draw any current inside it. So, we can say that In is flowing through the feedback also. In is equal to If. Is equal to If. The current flowing through the capacitor is In. So, we can write like this. In is equal to C into dVc divided by dt. Here Vc is the voltage across the capacitor, or we can write In is equal to C d by dt of Vin minus V. Here V is equal to 0, so I can write like this. In is equal to Cin into dVin divided by dt. Be equation number 1. At the output side, the current flowing through the resistor can be written as If is equal to V minus V out divided by R. Here V is equal to 0, so If is equal to minus V out divided by R. Since op-amp does not draw any current, In is equal to If, we can equate both this equation. Cin dVin divided by dt is equal to minus V out divided by R, or we can write V out is equal to minus R into Cin dVin divided by dt. This is the voltage equation of the differentiator. Here the output voltage is the derivative of the input voltage, and the negative sign represents the phase shift as the input signal is given to the inverting terminal of the op-amp. Okay. If we give sine wave to the differentiator, we will get cosine wave signal. If we give the square wave, if the square wave is given like this, if we give the square wave to the differentiator, at the output we will get the spikes. So, since it is the positive voltage, we will get the negative spikes, and at the negative we will get the positive spikes. Okay. So, the application of a differentiator is nothing but it is used in wave shaping circuits, and it is used to detect high frequency components. In input signal. Thank you.